Golang is my favorite programming language. I fell in love with it when I went to 42 and learned C. Now, C is cool and all of that, but to be honest, managing memory in C throws me off. Okay? That stuff will ache you like a banana in the sun. Go, on the other hand, is like way nicer, very simple, fast, and it doesn't give you a panic attack every time you forget to call free, or if you even call it like incorrectly, although it doesn't has. Okay, like the whole idea of Go was to take the performance of C and C++ and make it simple and readable enough that, like, even if you haven't slept for 2 consecutive days, you can still understand your co-workers messy code. Okay, now that's like the good part of Go, but here is the twist though. The very same thing that makes Go amazing also kind of makes it hard for the beginners to break into. Like, how does the language that was designed to be friendly and accommodate everybody has become exclusively for seniors professionally? Let's talk about that. I've been learning Golang for a while now, and recently I started hunting for a job expecting that I would see like junior Golang positions or even an internship. But no, almost every Go position I found was for mid to senior engineers. I was like, fucking hell, where do they expect the juniors to come from? So I went to ChatGPT and asked, why aren't there a lot of Golang junior positions? It was like, first off, Golang is used in serious stuff, and you are guys just vibe code some shitty stuff and call that coding. Go isn't for that. No, I'm kidding. It didn't say that. Its response was, like, most Go positions are aimed at mid to senior level engineers, and there is a good reason for that. First of all, Go is used in serious stuff, things like critical backend systems, infrastructure, and distributed systems, etc., etc. Areas where things really need to scale, run fast, and not break. These are usually places where companies don't want to take a risk with junior developers because one small bug could break a production system. Secondly, Go doesn't have the same beginner-friendly ecosystem as JavaScript or Python. Like, you won't find a lot of Go beginner-oriented tutorials or mentorship-heavy roles that are built around Go. Like, most Go developers are already have some sort of experience in other languages, and they are kind of bringing that maturity with them. So in short, Go is beginner friendly to write, but not beginner friendly to hire or get a job. Like, it's kind of funny, to be honest, like I found. So yeah, but here is the thing, that doesn't mean like to give up. If you really love this language, build stuff, build tools like side projects, dumb CLIs, I don't know, like whatever you can think of. Build stuff that solves like your own problem even better for someone else. Actually, that's my plan now. Like, just build. Doesn't matter if it is useful, profitable, or just for fun. Building is the only way to level up when the industry won't hand you experience and Devon is coming for your job. I mean, you got no option. So yeah, that's it for me. If you are a senior Go developer, drop some wisdom in the comments and let us know how juniors can break in. And if you are a junior, tell us as well, like, what's your plan? Have you landed a role with your 09 to 5 experience? And yeah, that's it. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. The journey is long to go, and see ya on the next one. Peace.